Have you been feeling emotional, heavy, or restless lately? That's because eclipse energy brings hidden feelings to the surface. Don't worry, today I will guide you step by step on how to release old baggage, declutter your life, and reset your energy, followed by a beautiful meditation. So pause, relax. This is your safe space. Let's begin. During a lunar eclipse, things slow down, emotions rise, old memories come back. It's not negative, it's cleansing. Think of it like your mind and heart doing a deep clean. So instead of fighting these emotions, we release them consciously. Before we clean our energy, we clean our space because clutter outside is equal to clutter inside. So today, just remove 5 things from your space, maybe old clothes, broken items, old newspapers, magazines, unused gifts, anything tied to old memories. Donate or discard. As you do it, just remind your space I make space for new blessings. You will instantly feel lighter. Try it. So that was physical release. Now, emotional release. You can pause anytime and come to this space. Take a notebook or a paper. Write down what hurt you this year. I know we are just 3 months down the year, but still, maybe past years, baggage you're carrying, so you can write that down. What are you still holding on to? One fear, one person you need to forgive, one belief that limits you. Again, a reminder, you can pause and write down all these things on the paper. Don't filter, just empty your heart. As done, tear the page and safely burn it. Say out loud, done, released, finished. So that was emotional release. Now is the body cleansing. Energy sometimes still stays in the body. Take a salt bath or shower. Add rock salt, sea salt, coffee, and enjoy your bath. As water flows, imagine stress washing away. Drink more water today. Eat light food. Avoid heavy arguments or negativity. Today is a soft day, not a hustle day. So now we are completely released. Now it's time to refill. Refill our thoughts, our body, everything. Write 3 intentions. Anything, whatever you want to focus on with a positive language. I choose peace. I attract ease. Now that you have cleared everything from your space, let's seal this with a gentle meditation. Welcome to this special lunar eclipse meditation. Today, we are not here to chase anything. not to fix anything, not to force anything. We are simply here to release, to soften, to let go. Find a comfortable position, sit or lie down. Let your hands rest gently, and when you are ready, close your eyes. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long breath out. Inhale calmness, exhale all the tensions. One more time. Breathe in peace, breathe out heaviness. Let your shoulders drop, relax your jaw, soften your forehead. There is nowhere else you need to be. Bring one hand to your heart, another to your belly. Inhale for 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale for 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Continue gently. Every breath out, you release stress. Every breath in, you invite safety. I am safe. I am supported. I allow myself to let go. Now imagine you are sitting under the open night sky. The air is cool, quiet, peaceful. Above you, a bright full moon glows softly. This is your healing light. As the eclipse begins, the moon slowly darkens. Not to take away something, but to help you release what you no longer need. Picture all your old emotions, old memories, disappointments, hurt, self-doubt, overthinking, negativity. You can see it gathering like a soft grey smoke around your body. Don't fight it, just observe. These are the things you carried for too long. And tonight, you are ready to put them down. With every exhale, the smoke rises upward, leaving your body, your heart, your mind. The eclipse absorbs it all. No struggle, no force, just release. Feel yourself getting lighter, calmer, freer. Now, from above, a gentle silver light begins to pour down. Moonlight, soft and healing. It touches your head, your shoulders, your heart, your hands, your entire body, filling every empty space with peace, with clarity, with strength. Now slowly repeat in your mind, I forgive myself. I release the past. I choose peace. I begin again. I am lighter. I am stronger. I am ready for new blessings. Take a deep breath in. Feel gratitude for yourself, for showing up, for choosing healings. Be proud of yourself. Bring a soft smile to your face. Rub your palms together gently. Place them over your eyes. And whenever you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Speak out loud. Thank you, body, for honoring. Thank you, body, for the love. Thank you, body, for the peace. Thank you for honoring yourself today. Drink some water, rest well, and allow this energy to guide you. Remember, you don't need to carry the past forever. Every eclipse, every full moon, every new day is a chance to begin again. Be gentle with yourself. Healing is not dramatic, it's soft. Take this as a healing hour with love